Let's say.
Right.
And say you ask me who you.
No whom he is the same.
So what done it done.
And then me a chameleon. My bed done it done.
And since we be an yammy to money brusu.
And now I'm for the drink.
Kafra. You so open arms out.
Nam they say. A pretty.
It never double nam name met 2 names are there about. Upo?
No. Like, and mommy, but they don't release this stress.
Adena, why wouldn't say would release this stress? I made 2 names are the Kaka. One and the new Yaya to say we one more so 2 names are the Hammy.
The seminar meeting until the pen I'm doing body. Body and so service.
You open our room body way. No news as I knew. Hey. Oba ye come China warrior me call the kitchen. I hire pika. On cardia some name. I should now say. I'm about one. You know, my house, found Saturday baby. You saw them say, also don't say, James. I know. Ade. James, sir. You say, we are Obey and Yemini didn't come on, and they say, many would do. I was not your own. Oh, your day. Oh, your day. Oh, your day. Okay, me confirm and me my is a putagin. Me, my is a putagin. Oh, Nadia, we prano. We go for all swimming game. Swimming game. You know, we say, a day. Okay, coffee chocolate. Me go kitchen. Wow, coffee. Kitchen mine. Kitchen mine. Me go. Would you say, me pay? Kitchen, me pay. What? Hey, Nadia, we. Oh, Cassa. A day. Oh, Baron. I did a would you say, no. What's what they are saying, no.
Oh my God. I just can't believe this. I think I'm falling for this guy. Right there. I don't know if this is right. But yeah, I like him. He's cool and calm. But I'm scared. I don't know if he feels the same way for me. I think I'm in love with him. I don't know, yeah. I don't know if I should tell him or... No, I can't see this. Anyway, I love him, yeah. I just love this picture we took. Yeah. Isn't this beautiful? Mm-hmm. Wow. Anyway. Why? What's the problem?
Wow. I can see you are in love with Uncle Enoch.
Hey! Listen. You don't have to talk like that. Why are you saying that?
Because of your reaction.
You are a kid. Stop that. Please. Hey, Rade. God. because of my reactions. There is nothing there, okay?
Mom, are you sure? Because that's what I can see.
Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
There is nothing. He's just a teacher in this house and nothing else.
Mom, he is not just a teacher.
You don't have to have these conversations with me, okay?
Okay.
These are for mature people. So we talk about books and what you've been taught in school.
Okay.
Yeah? When I fall in love, I'll let you know. Yeah? Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay.
Mom, let me look at the picture with you.
Yeah. So with this one, I'm going to use this as a profile picture.
Okay.
I love it. What were you touching? What was that?
This one.
Oh, okay. The tripod stand. That's nice. So we'll use this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so what are you taking for supper today?
If I can get rice.
Everyday rice. You won't eat banku.
I'll eat.
So let's do banku with okra stew. Yeah? Okay. Let's go to the kitchen.
Okay.
Take the lead. I'm coming, okay?
Okay.
I'll soon be with you. She's telling me she can see me now. Hey, God, get up today. Oh my God, I'm so tired. Anyway. Who is it? That's my baby girl. Come to mommy. What is it? Are you okay?
Mom,
What?
do you know that Uncle Gefas and Marcus have been entering our room?
What? What are you saying?
And come to Auntie Mariam?
They've been entering into your room.
Yes.
Since when?
It's a long time ago.
Are you sure?
Yes, they don't want you to see it. You see, the time we're asking them the question, they do not want to tell because something was there.
Hey, Marcus.
So, Mom, you better warn my other mom, my small mom.
So Miriam has been entertaining them.
Of course.
Have you seen them together? In the room?
Of course.
Doing what?
You already know.
What is it? It is... Did you see it with your eyes?
Of course.
Jesus, I don't die.
I went there, I told Auntie that I want to come and sit beside her, so she said, what? No, get out. I said, okay, then let me go and read. She said, no. Don't enter the washroom. And I think
it's okay.
someone was in the washroom.
I know what to do, okay? Okay. Don't tell them anything, okay? Just keep quiet and watch me. You can go back to your room.
Okay.
Maybe I want you to say how cheap say. No, I don't believe this. I think I have to call Miriam and ask her. Let me call this girl. Miriam, sister. Miriam.
Sister.
Miriam.
Sister.
How many times have I called you?
3 times. Why?
What is going on?
What is going on?
What is going on in this house between you and Givers, including Marcus?
Me? There is nothing.
Me and Shreme.
There is nothing going on. There is nothing going on, sister. Why?
There is nothing going on.
Yes.
Why are they in your room? Why do they come to your room? For what? Since Dabai only Musha say.
Marcus, no beba mi room on my idea na. Jani na ide. I already.
Don't give me that story. As my maybe bisa on no facts. It's not maybe bisa on.
Sister,
and you know you are in a room with my daughter. Who you be being poor? Just like you not even think about a little girl. Oh man, you will be dear. That would die. And sister, at the end of your course, for the last time,
nothing is going on. Like, oh, there's some anyone who fear I say. Apart from that, nothing is going on between me and them. Why?
Yeah, sure.
Sister, but I won't show that. And as I say, won't you mean you?
Anyway, what do you come at? Maybe it's not what I'm thinking. Nah, when we saw them, we name the course between them, you know. Because anytime I see them, Omokum.
I'm
telling you. Now we kasi, now we say, I don't know.
For that one day, I have no idea about it.
I have no idea.
What did you mean? So what did you feel? You so free, Mujari Finty, or Moto, man, any at all in Tokwa. Yes, I'm campaign for communities of baby when you drink your song. Sister, inform us when you say, you know them already. So never mind, okay?
What do come at? Bye.
Tell me anything after me.
No, it's because no, I had the step.
Oh, sister, Jimmy.
So they walk. I'm not sure who's you.
Matter, sister. I'm on
your class.
David. Sister!
Don't be entertaining them.
No. Sister. Because I don't have them a brand neighbor for. I will never do that. Check it. Oh, no, sister, I don't need to say that.
Hey, you're a neighbor.
Okay. You're fine.
Brand in Abim.
Oh, sister,
I say that.
Hey, my brand name.
Mate.
Brand name.
It's what I made us.
Mate, sister. Name me call.
Yeah.
Can I read you? I can't chill.
The red one made out. Yeah, no,
yeah, me side Sister, you are my big sister. Yeah. I love you from my heart.
I love you too.
Hope you are learning in school.
Yeah.
Are you taking your math seriously? 2 times 2.
4.
Shumfua. Have you eaten?
Of course.
What food?
I ate rice balls.
Rice balls. I say mutu no. Rice balls. Konkonte. What's the English name of konkonte?
Face the wall.
Konkonte. If you say it like that, it's wrong. Konkonte is not face the wall.
Okay, it's what?
But it's Chris Brown. Understand?
Yeah, I remember something like that.
When you sit in your examination, don't say face the wall. Choose the Chris Brown. Okay.
I was saying it in school, but I'm not taking it serious.
I'll be taking it serious these days. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Uncle, can you answer this question?
When the uncle had the questions, and maybe someone can say more.
Okay.
What's the question?
Do you remember the day you were asking me where's my father? And you also remember the day you were here with my mother. We're using the laptop to teach her Chinese. You remember, right? That's when I saw you fall for her. If you know you're fall for her, just be brave and tell her.
Hey, blessing. I should be brave and tell her. What did you see?
What did I see? But if I look at your facial expression, I will see it, you fall in love for her.
Nkola ni biasi o. Udi boy na kola betwema jai nana jai akwa na cho. Akoye humelai na.
Is it true?
Hey, Blessing. Come on. With the bombshell. You have to focus on your study.
I will tell her. If you shout at me again,
I will not shout at you.
okay, that's why I love you.
Hey, you're my friend.
But just say it. Do you love her?
Hey, where did you learn all this thing from?
Because you fall in love for her.
What do you know about love?
I know it.
Hey,
Film.
Jesus. So you saw me watching your mother?
Say the truth. Else, you know what will happen. You're gonna lose your job.
Hey, you're very intelligent, pa.
So just tell me.
But this is one of my bomb, pa.
Just tell me. Yes or no? Yes or no? 3 seconds. Else, you will lose your job. Okay. 2 seconds. Okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Say it.
It's okay.
Say the truth. Yes or no? You lose your job.
Listen. Go and pick something at the kitchen for me right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
They gave us some assignment. I wanted to check whether I'm correct.
They gave you assignment?
Yes.
Which ones? Maths or English?
Maths.
Maths?
Yes.
Show it to your mother.
Okay, maths and English, the both of them.
Show the maths to your mother.
And I'll show the English to you.
Yeah, show the English to me. Show the maths to
But I'll
me.
fall in love.
Kids are not kids these days, oh. Kids are not kids anymore. All these telenovelas. Small girl, Blessing, you know about love. You've been watching me. I've been watching your facial expression. Blessing. Hey. What a bombshell. I got to think. Your money homework now. I am mass. Me busy chihuahua. What me boo? My wife watch it. Oh, my master. My soft mass. What do you say to me? I am so for mama so for mama so mama so
Hey.
Baby girl, so for me.
Oh, now, Ade, why are you singing like that?
Baby, do not pim.
So, you know how to you're not trying say.
Just trying to sing you a China song.
China song.
The meaning of the song is, I've been here for a while now. I've been studying you.
Okay.
The way you talk.
Okay.
The way you walk. I can't take it anymore.
Okay, so that is the Joanna. Oh, okay. I think I'm in love with the song already. Oh, okay.
But it's my backing me up.
Okay, so let's try it and see.
Baby girl.
You're so sweet.
Yeah.
That is beautiful. Anyway,
Madam.
Yeah.
My chairman. I know I'm straightforward.
Hold on. I'm not a kid.
I know.
No, catch him and say, what chairman? Don't you have a girlfriend?
No. Girlfriend quite a tumada. It's a SMP. It's a whole lot. It's a whole lot. It's a whole lot. Madam T, I want to come clean for you. So, the person, I mean, can a be a woman chill?
Okay, I'm listening.
Get any day, me hobby. An umbrella crane, me juma be bassa, you know, I was facing hardship a little bit. Things became very hard. Inti na me chinchin ape juma na ade betumi ko swanyoma swa cement ko galam say na obeya nti na me bi man na me hwe no me ba say a China language ya me be cheche mo yi obeya nti na me to na mo a me be yes a China language sasa me na bi akoma no wow pati yawo ne kwene se pia me chamo ofia se na mente ayalo attention kwa ayampa
What's the Chinese kasano?
kama Jimmy cry.
Hey God, this is unbelievable. So you came into my house to lie to us. It's only Sobolo na planning area when I'm. What do you do, my baby? Man,
My faith you men do, but dear Bema Beya and Sabe Conanunti. Na me yen sa. But anymore we na me yama obey and moves obeying. Coming film na me bobla and fine no. When me say me first payment out the man me ko face me ni obey ka ko che. Because you only Bema Gina phone so catch me Bema say, oh you see me as a stepping stone.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Oh, you see me as a stepping stone. I mean, dear, my immediate time, me ya bema bena, me just say, me one of our feeling na obe jano na me siki no hoji jedi na onya na ho. Tesa me hu dwere me pa. Hu dwere me ya basa. If you want to say, man jib genendi no. Na osunsumo sa na kese. Fafa, utu fafa, utoko. Menini ni obium.
Anyway, sorry about that. But I'm just surprised about the whole thing.
Some women are very, very wicked.
And some guys are dangerous.
Yeah, we are dangerous, but you know, it's our nature. More fire, sir.
It's Chinese because I'm making it wrong. Rubbish na make it.
Me washe dia mayeya China no shameti chungfung kungfua oh kai ka engine di wende de me mabe ya me sabe ko manunti na me yesa
Aga na
anyati
it is here obi ni wa brabo
so me ni obi a me wi o me da sa me say o me say
Sa dwendwen na ma waye si.